This is my letter to you. I cannot speak. I can barely write. My knuckles are now white from the tension, and my hands shakes with fear. My secret, this secret on this page has lasted 20 years, 7 months, and 27 days. And it will probably last until you are well beyond your grave. It all started the way it all usually does, as I was showing someone some of my poetry. They were reading my writings, the ones you never read, although I offered them to you. They would read, they would compliment, and I would blush, for I could never understand how someone could appreciate me. Do you see what you've taught me? Then they'd read the poem about my father. You know, the one there I imagined that you were dead. I remembered when your daughter phoned to tell me you were sick, and I didn't care. I just imagined you were dead. But once I was gripped with such fear when I thought of you dying. Just once. I don't remember when, but it bothered me. How can I care about you? I hate you. Why should I love you? You never loved me. I felt weak when I thought I cared for a man I didn't know. Maybe I wanted to care, to think that one day you might magically turn into my father. Pick me up on your shoulders, twirl me around the room. Maybe I didn't want to accept my reality. I wanted to forget you. I walked over to that liquor cabinet, but then I realized that that's what you would do. I wanted to yell, but then I remembered your temper. Then I wondered if this is why I hated myself as much as I hated you. I remember when I was 5 and you called me an asshole for something I didn't do. And I remember that you never apologized. I remember you would yell at me for not smiling. God damn it, you have nothing to be depressed about, you'd say. And I would just try to smile for you. I remember when you told me not to disrupt your goddamn life. And I just sat there, speechless. I was only trying to be nice. I didn't ask to be your child. I didn't ask for anything. And now you say I ask for too much. All I asked was for love from you, you bastard. But that was the only thing that you didn't seem willing to give. So I'll close this letter knowing that you'll never bother to read it, knowing I'll never bother to send it. I am stubborn, like yourself, and I will have to keep this secret with me while I try to run from you.